The research that we present analyzes quantitatively the impact of giving and receiving feedback through Twitter in certain educational variables. For that, we use as a basis the digital context and technological mediations allow the relationship between teacher and student to have significant opportunities. This research shows physical spaces and times of non-formal education in a virtual learning environment, in which Twitter is the scenario that exemplifies the importance of interaction in learning. The set of interactions between the students becomes a space for dialogue. As participants begin taking part in the conversation and the discussion, their motivation is intensified and the learning process is enriched. A good design of the interactive structure of the contents, with mediation spaces between teachers and students, generates a constructive process and efficient results. The relational factor, meant as a significant network of social and synaptic relationships, is the guarantee of quality of the interactions that take place. In this article, we present the study of the dialectic Twitter held in the MOOC Communication and Mobile Learning within the platform of the European project ECHO, e-learning and open data communication. One of the objectives of the MOOC is learning to communicate effectively, playfully, creatively, and educationally in learning communities and social networks via mobile devices. Therefore, among other learning methodologies carried out in different social networks, we proposed a MOOC which is the first activity was introducing students to dialectic Twitter. The purpose was to discuss and exchange different contributions and standpoints regarding one of the themes of the first module, media communication, through the use of a common hashtag. Thus, a collective communication thread was generated. As a result, it should be noted that more of the third of the students who completed the questionnaire were young people who had completed the MOOC, so their performance was effective and achieved positive results. Among the conclusions, interactive actively as well as giving feedback outstandingly have a positive influence, while passive receiving shows not to be conclusive. This contrasts with the view that young people only seek reaffirmation through networks, such as the number of likes. Although at social level these claims might be true, from the educational point of view, evaluations made by peers on Twitter are less impactful for students.